All right, we need to add 4 1/3, 4 1/3 plus 5 1/7. Now when I add mixed number fractions, I like to put them vertically like this. I think it makes them easier to add, okay? So we learned before when we are adding fractions, we have to have the same denominator because it's kind of describing what size each part of the fraction is. So we need to make sure 3 and 7 are the same. So what would our LCD be here? Well, we want the lowest number that both of these go into. In this case, we can go 3 times 7, and that's going to be the smallest one, 21. So to get 21 here, I need to multiply the 3 by 7. If I multiply the bottom by 7, though, to keep the value of this fraction the same, I multiply the top by 7. Here, I'm going to multiply the 7 by 3. Again, to keep this value the same, I've got to do 3 over 3. So just a little quick side note, the reason for this, notice that 3 divided by 3 is 1. So when I multiply anything by 1, the value stays the same. So that's why you have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Okay, so here I'm going to end up with 4 and 7 over 21 when I multiply. This one I'll get 5 and 3 over 21. So 1 times 3 is 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Add these together. 4 plus 5 is 9. 7 21ths plus 3 21ths, I end up with 10 over 21. Now, very important step here is make sure this is simplified, this 10 over 21. Oftentimes, when you do a problem like this needs to be simplified. So 10 over 21, there isn't an even number or a whole number that goes into both of those. And so that will be your final answer, just 9 and 10 over 21.